Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Let's take a trip to the prime location of Donhead Close, Kingston 6. This N unit is quite spacious and accommodates 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, etc. The total land area of this property is 2,007 square feet. The ground floor provides a covered carport, large living area, minibar, separate dining room, kitchen, den, powdered room, study, helper's room, large enclosed back porch, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, while the upper floor comprises a large master suite, inclusive of an added room, closet room, front balcony, 2 other bedrooms and bathrooms, and 1 other room. A private terrace provides an area for relaxation where you can view the surrounding estate. Just a little TLC needed on this property. Don't miss out on this townhouse in this very convenient location within the Golden Triangle. Some other features of this townhouse includes ceramic tile, ceiling fans, main level entry, fully fenced, central location to amenities, family oriented, and low maintenance yard. The price of this townhouse is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.